Good afternoon, family, and welcome. We are here today at Disney's Magic Kingdom Park. I am excited. In today's video, we are finally going on Tianas Bayou adventure. I can't wait. I've heard some really good reviews. I've heard some really bad reviews. So I'm gonna give you guys my honest review on it. And hopefully they have the Tiana beignets that I've been wanting to try forever now. I haven't been able to get my hands on them, so hopefully I can get my hands on them today and give you guys a good rating, see if they are worth the penny or not. So let's go ahead and unpack all this and have a great time. So this is where we do check in to get on this ride. We are finally here. Got our wristbands. We're about to go ahead and make our way to the ride. The park seems kind of dead right now, to be honest, though. Might stay after and do some other stuff and see if there's some new food out here, some new treats, and possibly get on some rides because it is very dead. This ride is beautiful. We are finally here. I'm gonna show you guys the front of it and everything, every detail of it in a moment. I love the sign. That is nice. We are finally here to get every detail of this ride, the queue. It looks so beautiful. I cannot wait to get on. I will get every detail of this ride. I do want to say thank you to my sis for getting me on here with her. She didn't have to bring me, but she brought me today, so I appreciate her. Thank you so much. Wouldn't be able to make this happen without her, so.
I'm trying to see everything. You guys can go ahead.
This queue looks nice. So much details. What does that say? Princess Tiana throws Mardi Gras party for all of New Orleans. I gotta go back to New Orleans. Here are some more details of the ride. Some more stuff. Ooh, I see the beignet poster. I want to see if they have them. I don't think they have them right now, unfortunately, but we'll see. Some hot sauce, vinegar, peppers, garlic salt, peach oil. Oh, pecan oil. Wow, I cannot see through this camera. Pecan oil. Sorry about that, y'all. Tiana's Palace. Enjoy jazz and New Orleans cuisine on the bank of the Mississippi River. Thank you for the fan, Disney. Appreciate you guys. And if the ride wasn't enough, here's a sign. You may get wet. I wish they opened both sides up so I can get the details on that side, but this is the best I can get right here. It's her and her family. There you go here, some more pictures. And there goes the beignets. Oh no, don't do this to me. They're not even selling them right now. I haven't seen them at all. They smell too? There's no way. Oh wow, there is a smell. That is crazy. Wow. You guys are taunting me, Disney.
Yeah.
Some more stuff inside there. And here's a TNT storage. Tiana Foods, some hot sauce. And we have finally reached the line of the queue. Safety first, guys. Should have stole your items. I got my glasses and my phone, so that's about it. So what I realized also from outside looking in, it doesn't seem like they have as much water as they had on Splash Mountain, I would say. But we will see when I actually go on the ride. Because I remember on Splash Mountain, I got splashed. So, we'll see. Some more touches on the queue. The queue is beautiful, I will say that. Very genuine, very old-fashioned, very Tiana-like. I definitely like the queue. And if the sign I just showed you wasn't enough, well, here you go again. You may get wet. This is beautiful. Very beautiful. Last chance to exit. That's the third warning sign I've done seen. That's funny. We are finally here, guys. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think they changed the carts. I mean, maybe they did. I gotta look at my last Splash Mountain video and see. But we are here nevertheless. And here we go. I can record and do both. I got both of y'all. How about that? Oh, bumper cars. This is beautiful. Wow. This is so beautiful. Wow. The ride is beautiful, guys. There goes our drop. Look at the details. My lady right there. Let's do it. All right, let's go. Tiana Foods. Oh, already? Oh my God. Some okra? That's what Grandma used to cook. Celery, onion. This is a beautiful view. Beautiful view. World, I'm sorry, beautiful ride. My bad. I know. I'm happy. I'm gonna have to put some music over this guy so I don't get copyrighted. Sorry. Uh-oh, here comes a baby drop. It's the warm up. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Yes! I'm feeling so on the right side. quick. I can't because I'm in the middle of recording. I don't need to. I'm a professional at this. Here we go. Oh, you got wet finally? Oh. Hey. Hey. Hey, son. Oh, another baby drop. Oh, wow. Wow. That's some juju right there. There we go. All right. Hold on, Sky. Oh, oh. Here we go, y'all. Yep. Go, Sky, I'm about to go. Bye bye. Oh, here we go, Skylar. Oh, we got another drop. Welcome. Oh, I love this. I love this. Wow, that was nice. Nice touch. That was a really nice touch on the ride. Smells the. Oh, look at the snake! Look at the snake! And we are here, guys. That was the end of the ride. That was actually very fun. I'll give my review when I get off. This is the queue when you get off. Look at your photo to see the most silliest face that you possibly have on here. I don't know if we have ours. Oh, wow, that was fast. Well, my photo already went by, but here you guys go. Even when you get off the ride, they still have some stuff. The Spice Room, Cannery. Bring home the Bayou. Tianas Bayou General. That is going to be one of the stores, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Wait a minute. Photo pickup. Yeah, I think that's supposed to be open, but it's not open right now. I guess they're not opening this until the ride is fully open. So that's one of the stores you guys will see. The bottling plant. Nice stuff. Finest King carrots. All right, guys. So that was the ride. I had a great time, and I just want to give you guys my honest review on it. I think the ride was a 10 out of 10, just because they added so much to the queue, so much to the ride itself. And one of my sister brought up a great point. The Tiana's animatronic, it doesn't move like a robot. It honestly moves like a regular human being. So I do think they did a great job with that. And everything inside just great. So I really enjoyed this. Also, quick tip on this ride. If you do not want to get as wet, do not ride on the right side of it because you get soaked the most. I got super soaked because I was on the right side. My sister was on the left. She didn't get wet as much as I did. Every corner that it was going down on the little drops, you were getting splashed on the right side. So there's one tip I give you guys on the ride. There you go. Another thing, during the ride, be on the lookout for it. But towards the end, where you get to the beignets, after you go off the big drop, there's a smell. It smells like donuts. I mean, it's beignets, but it smells like powdered donuts. It smells great. I want a beignet now, but I don't think they have them. I really do want one, so I will come back just for one if I need to. Once again, I do want to say thank you to my sister for getting me on. It was a great time. I appreciate her. So thank you again. You guys commenting below, tell her thank you also. So unfortunately, they do not sell the beignets yet. But she did tell me they are selling them at Port Orleans. So if you guys really want one, which probably me, you can go there, get you one. And the customer told me the one at Port Orleans is better than the one here. So I might have to slide over there myself. So as soon as you're passing Pirates of the Caribbean, going towards the Magic Carpet Ride, it seems they have some type of renovation going on. I'm not sure what is going on here, but I want to be nosy and walk around and see. It is hot, and we want to get a refreshing beverage. So we're gonna go ahead and get this I Lava You Float. We've had it plenty of times. It's really good. I do recommend you guys try it out. It's a great beverage. It's kind of like a Dole Whip mixed with some Pop Rocks and some strawberry soda and an orange sherbet. But it's really good. I'll show you guys when we get in a second. So this is the I Lava You Float. My kids kind of already dug into it. Look at her. So that's what it looks like. It's a little more taller than that, but it's really good, guys. Before we get on any rides, we are gonna get some food first and get some AC because it is hot. We're about to eat at Cosmic Ray Starlight Cafe. They have a new chicken sandwich that I do want to try. So I'm gonna show you guys once we get it. It's pretty interesting, so hopefully it's good. I'm hoping, but we'll see. So this is what we ended up getting at Starlight Cafe. This chicken sandwich has Coca-Cola barbecue sauce on it with some bacon. And they gave the sides on they gave like the lettuce and the tomatoes on the side with some pickles and onions. I guess it's something new that they're doing, but yeah, that's what we got. I can't wait to try it. I'm not sure when they have this up, but last time I was here, they did not have that sandwich. So I'll let you know how it tastes, guys. All right, so honest review on the food. The burger, surprisingly, was pretty good. It seems like they changed the seasoning on the burger. But to the new chicken sandwich that they have, it was disgusting. It was dry. The cola barbecue sauce was not that good. It didn't even taste like barbecue. Everything about it was just dry and disgusting. So I would never get that again. That was just my honest review on that chicken sandwich. So maybe I just came at a bad time. But maybe you guys try and see how you like it. We are headed to Storybook Circus right now to do one more ride, and probably that'll be the end of this video. We're tired, it's hot, and the kids are ready to go home. It's been a long day, but it's been a good day, so can't complain. So the girls chose to go on Dumbo. Like I said, it's probably the last ride on the day, just because it has been hot, man, waiting for the Tianas Bayou adventure, but it was worth it. So we're gonna hit Dumbo real quick, just in honor of the smell offense, which we still have not done yet. I've been slacking on that. I've been getting content everywhere else, but I promise you, I will do it. So hold tight, it will happen. I don't know if too many of you guys knew this, because a lot of people do not go on Dumbo, but they do have a playground here that we're about to do for my children. It's pretty cool and unique. I'll show you guys more details when we get inside. So this is the playground they have here. It's pretty cool, pretty unique. Something for the kiddos to do if you want to get out the hot sun, honestly. Especially if Dumbo has a long line. My daughter loved this playground. And I love the details that they really have here. It's nice. Hey guys. This thing actually makes sounds when you get off and on. That is pretty cool. And it changes colors actually. It turns from red to blue. That's pretty cool. Did not know that. Little fun fact. All right, guys, that will be it for today's video. We had such a good time at Tianas Bayou Adventure. Once again, 10 out of 10 ride. Everything was perfect on that ride. They couldn't have done better in my eyes. And it's honestly worth the wait if the line is long, just because the ride's about 6 minutes long. So I definitely enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a blessed day. See ya.